What's up, Ryker owners? Brandon here with SlingMods.com. Today we have our adjustable pivoting handlebar riser kit for the Can-Am Ryker. One of the things we really like about the Can-Am Ryker is that BRP made it so that you can adjust the handlebar position right from the factory. But even with this factory adjustment feature in place, there's still many of you that are having to hunch over to reach your handlebars. And in some cases, you taller riders have even suggested that the factory bar position is a little too low for you. I think in either scenario, it's safe to say that comfort while riding is extremely important, especially on those longer rides. So with comfort in mind, we partnered up with a team over at Rox Speed FX to bring you guys a custom designed handlebar riser kit made specifically for the Can-Am Ryker models. Now I'd like to emphasize that this is not a universal product. In fact, the Rox Speed website specifically says not to use their universal 7/8 pivoting riser kits for the Ryker application since they're not a perfect fit. We actually sent Rox Speed our Ryker handlebar assembly so that their team could design and develop us a custom riser kit that's been tailor-made specifically for the Can-Am Ryker application. This custom riser kit they developed for us is a perfect fit and manufactured out of billet aluminum right here in the USA. They're then finished off with a black anodized finish and include all zinc-plated hardware. They're even backed with a lifetime warranty. Their patented design kicks the bars back 2 inches and allows you to adjust the pivoting angle so you can fine-tune your handlebar position where it's most comfortable for you. Now this kit not only includes the 2-inch pivoting handlebar riser kit, but also includes new billet aluminum clamps to replace these factory cast aluminum clamps that will help beef up the handlebar system. So now that you know what this mod's all about and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. Let's get started. Start by laying a towel down on top of your tank so that we can rest your bars on it. Then take a 5mm Allen wrench and remove these 4 bolts, 2 on each side, that hold down your factory handlebar clamps. Now these factory bolts and handlebar clamps will not be reused since new hardware and billet aluminum clamps have been provided with the kit. Now lift up on your handlebar release lever so that you can lift your bars up and off, placing them on top of the towel. Now you'll notice that your Rox riser kit includes 2 different sets of handlebar clamps. One set is slightly larger than the other, as you can see here. So grab the smaller pair of clamps, close the handlebar release lever, and place the 2 new handlebar clamps on top in place of the old ones. Then add a little removable thread lock to the 4 new clamp bolts. And thread them onto the new bar clamps, just a few threads for now. Then take your new Rox risers and slide them in under the bar clamps, pushing them all the way in until they stop. Using your 5mm Allen wrench to snug up the bolts, but don't tighten them down just yet, since you'll still want to be able to pivot them up and down. Now grab the 4 M8 Allen bolts provided with your kit and apply a dab of a removable thread locker to the end of each bolt. So that you can mount up your bars to the risers using the new handlebar clamps and hardware. Now sit in your normal riding position and adjust the bars to where you like them. Once you find the bar position that's most comfortable for you, it's time to go back through and tighten down your hardware to the manufacturer's recommended torque spec, making sure not to over tighten. And then finally, turn your bars from left to right, making sure that there's no cables or lines binding. And there you have it, folks. Now, if an adjustable handlebar riser kit seems like something you'd like to have on your Can-Am Ryker, be sure to head on over to SlingMods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab one for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.